Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network. That's AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal. And today we're with Barrett Jackson at the 2022 Las Vegas auction. Today we're going to be taking a look at a beautiful orange 1972 Datsun 240Z. This car benefits from going through a recent complete restoration. As you can tell just by looking at the car looks absolutely gorgeous. And I really like these wheels that are on the car. These wheels are some Enkei 15x8s, and I think they do a great job of really showing the period correctness of this vehicle. The power plant is of course an L24 2.4 liter inline six, which has also been completely rebuilt along with the power steering and some other components, and it also has been upgraded to feature some things like some upgraded performance parts as well as electronic ignition. Now, the 240Z is a very significant vehicle, and I think a lot of the market trend has really started to reflect that. These cars were not only affordable sports cars that you could be parking in your very own driveway when they first came out, unlike anything else on the road at the time, but they were also being raced, and they were absolutely dominating and proving to be very competitive race cars. One of the things that I think is really cool about these, unfortunately we can't show you, but the inline sixes in these cars have often been confused as V12s. And with that just goes, I think, to really show you how good these vehicles sound. Now, let's go ahead and let's start walking around. Some of my favorite features are, of course, this sort of in concave style headlights, which you can find on some other even 60s Ferraris at the time. So the fact that you can get some styling like this on an affordable sports car from the 1970s is absolutely unthinkable. As we come around here, we have those Enkei 15x8 wheels, which I really like. They are really similar to some other wheels like the Watanabe wheels that you can find, and I think they're just period correct. They do a good job of really displaying how good the car looks. As we go around the side here, there's some Datsun badges, and we come even closer as we come to the door with the black interior, which features that 4-speed manual that you'll find in the interior of the car that has also featured some recent restoration and some recent car bits. As you come back, we have the Z badge and this very iconic silhouette that really has been carried through all of the Z cars from the generation of production. And when we get to the backside here, and again, the 240Z with some of the updated cars, the 260s, the 280s, some of the rear end bits started to change, even some of the 2+2 cars, which featured a different silhouette. But I think the 240, the first time out, I think they really did it right, and they really nailed the styling of this car. So if you like this video, if you could go ahead and smash that like button, we'd really appreciate it. And make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss more content like this in the future. If you're looking for a collector vehicle of your own, be sure to check out our online auction, AutoHunter.com, where we have tons of vehicles going live every weekday, and our classified marketplace, ClassicCars.com, where we have over 35,000 cars currently live on the site, so you can purchase a collector car vehicle for your very own. Thank you so much for watching, guys.